Today we are going to freeze sperm. To freeze sperm, we first need media for the centrifuge. Then we need a semen sample, and we need sperm freezing media, which we have already prepared. These need to be kept in a warmer for at least 20 minutes. To freeze sperm, the very first step is to perform a semen analysis. So, we have already done the analysis. After the analysis, we add the semen sample to the media we set out beforehand and mix it thoroughly. We have mixed the previous sample with the media, and now we will leave it for 10 minutes to centrifuge. It has been 10 minutes since we centrifuged this semen sample, and now we are going to check on it. After centrifuging, it should have formed a pellet like this. From the centrifuge sample, we are now going to discard the supernatant and keep the pellet. When discarding the supernatant, we have to be very careful. We are not going to discard all of it, just 0.5 megaliters to 1 megaliter that we have, leave behind and discard. Here you can see there's a pellet, and with 1 megaliter of supernatant left. We now have to mix it. We have to mix this thoroughly. We have mixed this sample, and now we are going to add the sperm freezing media that we set aside earlier. When adding this, it needs to be added drop by drop. We are now going to transfer the previously mixed sample into a small cryovial. When we shift it, we put it into these in equal parts. The sample that we previously mixed and shifted, we are now going to place in liquid nitrogen for a moment. After leaving the sample in nitrogen for a while, we are now taking it out. After we take the previous sample out of the nitrogen, we place it on the cryostand. After placing it in the cryostand, we label it. This makes it easy for us to identify. Now we place it in a cryocan and liquid nitrogen tank